while he was here. He jokingly earned a reputation for always taking sticks, pucks, face washes. Gutman for Bedard for Kurashev. He scores! That's what you call tic-tac-toe.
Into the zone, Kurashev drops it off for Gutman. Gutman, no hesitation, over to Bedard. Bedard one touches it over to Kurashev. You look how far Wedgwood is out of the net. He's completely going the wrong way on this one. He's not even in the net at all. Kurashev has just got to hit that six.